A for apple, a shiny red apple on a colorful background. B for ball, a bouncing colorful ball. C for cat, a cute cartoon cat. D for doll, a beautiful cute doll. E for engineer, a friendly cartoon engineer with helmet. F for frog, a happy green frog. G for goat, a small cute goat. H for house, a colorful cartoon house. I for ice cream, a bright ice cream cone. J for juice, a glass of orange juice. K for kite, a kite flying in the sky. L for lemon, a juicy yellow lemon. M for mango, a ripe mango. N for nest, a bird's nest with eggs. O for orange, a juicy orange slice. P for panda, a cute baby panda waving. Q for queen, a friendly cartoon queen. R for rose, a blooming red rose. S for sun, a smiling sun. T for tiger, a cute baby tiger. U for unicorn, a magical unicorn. V for van, a colorful cartoon van. W for watermelon, a sliced watermelon. X for X-ray, glowing cartoon X-ray image. Y for young, a smiling young child. Z for zero, a big shiny 3D number 0.